guys, welcome to my channel again. We are going to show you 4 tricks today regarding the job scheduling. The first trick is schedule for any program. Let's take auto keyring program as the example today. First, you need to fill in the selection screen, and then you go to program, execute in background, and define your output device. And in this screen, you define the time you're going to run for the job. Of course, you can select immediate processing, and here we just put a random date and time for the job. And if you go to the below, you will see a periodic job option, and here you can define the frequency of your periodic job. And now we select monthly and we save it. So now you can see the background job was scheduled for this program. And then you can go to SM37 to see the results. And you will see the job is already there. See, now you know how to schedule a job. The next trick is schedule job with flexible values like system dates. Now we take posting day as example, and you press save button to go into the detail screen, and here you define the variant name and description, and you scroll down to the posting day row and you scroll to the right. Now you select dynamic date calculation with system dates, and then you go to the right and double click to it, and you can define what calculation mode you want to have. And in this example, I will just select current date as the date value, and you select I as include, and equal means equal to current date, and you press OK. And now you can see it's saying posting date will be equal to current date, and you save the variant, and you just press the variant button and it will populate the system date to posting date field. I'm going to show you the other option, how to set the date based on the work calendar. And now you go back to the same field and select another option, current date minus or plus a certain number of work days. And here you need to put your value, let's say 5 days based on the factory calendar. Now I just randomly put Germany 01 Canada as the calculation, and you save it. And again you press the variant button and select your variant, and it will populate the posting day based on the system date plus 5 working days. The next trick is how to make your job consider holidays. And we go back to the screen where we define the date and time for the job, and at the right bottom you can see the restriction button. You press it and you define the factory calendar. Here we select a calendar in Germany, and below you can see multiple options for the calendar consideration. And in this example we just select the last one, move the job to the next work day. So in case there is any holiday on the time you schedule the job, it will move to the next work day to run it. The final trick I'm going to show you is the post job notification. Now you go back to your job screen in SM37, you edit it, you press the email notification button, and here you can define the email recipient, and you have the option to send notification only for cancellation or both completion and cancellation. And as you can see, you can also define the spool list recipient. Here you can define the user who will receive any spool generated from the program itself. And you can select the option, either it is a copy or BCC and so on. Yeah, and save it.